Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Motorola Razr 40 Ultra. To do this, first we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Here in the top search, enter Microsoft Edge. Then install it. When it's ready, you should be able to open this browser. Now there's an introduction that you can read through to learn some interesting features about this browser. I'm gonna skip it. Customize the homepage with different wallpaper, most visited sites, or a newsfeed. Add account and sign in to turn on synchronization between other browsers. And here set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. Last step is to read through data sharing preferences, and you can accept or disagree to send the data to Microsoft. I'm going to disagree and proceed. Now let's open any website, and as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.